Hello students, good morning to you all. Welcome to the e-learning classes. This is your GK period. Alright. So all of you take out your GK books quickly and open page number 25 in your GK books. Alright. So students, our next chapter is Up in the Sky. This is our lesson name. So all of you take out your GK books. Students, I hope you all have submitted your classwork copy, holiday homework copy and the exam copy in the school for the corrections. Alright, if you have not done, please go and submit it so that it can be get checked, and if there is any correction required, it can be done. Alright, so now let's start our today's work and open your books, page number 25. Alright. So let's start our work now. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 29th 9th 2020. Underline it. Write down classwork. Underline it. Alright. So our chapter name is Up in the Sky. It means the sky which is high in the sky. It is very high. So up in the sky there are many objects which are in the sky. Alright, so we will study about those things. We see many objects in the sky. We see many objects in the sky like sun, moon, clouds, star. All these are the objects which are found in the sky. So our chapter name is Up in the Sky, and we see all these things in the sky only. They are known as heavenly bodies, and these objects which are found in the sky, in our solar system, in our galaxy, all these are called the heavenly bodies. What do they called? They are called the heavenly bodies. Heavenly, heavenly bodies. Alright. So let's start our exercise now. Read the riddles and tick the correct objects. So here are the riddles given to you. You have to read these riddles and tick the correct options. Their options are also given to you. You have to read the riddles and tick the appropriate option. Also write their names, and you have to tick the correct option and write the names in the space given. Let's start. Number 1. You can see me at night. My name rhymes with noon. This is the type of object that we see at night, and its name rhymes with the noon. It is a rhyming word of noon, and the options are car and moon. So the rhyming word of noon is moon, and we see moon during night time. So our correct answer will be moon. So we will put a tick mark here and write moon here, M-O-O-N, moon. Alright, you have to tick the correct option and write the name also. Next one. You see me on a rainy day. When do we see this object? We see this object during a rainy day when it rains. My name rhymes with clouds, and it is the rhyming word of crowd. C-R-O-W-D, crowd, and my name rhymes with crowd. So what will be the rhyming word of crowd from the options given? This is cloud and this is kite. So the rhyming word of crowd will be clouds. So our answer will be clouds. We will put a tick mark here and write clouds in the space given. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. crowd, cloud. These are the rhyming words. Rhyming words means words which are sound similar. Next one, number 3. I have 7 bright colors. How many colors are there? There are 7 bright colors. My name rhymes with glow, and it is a rhyming word of glow. So what will be the answer? Number 1 is bird. Is it a rhyming word of glow? No, it is not the rhyming word of glow. Next one, this is a rainbow. There are 7 bright colors you can find in the rainbow, and it is a rhyming word of glow also. So our answer will be rainbow, because there are 7 colors and it rhymes with the word glow. So we will put a tick mark here and write rainbow here. R-A-I-N, rain, B-O-W, rainbow. Alright, you all must have seen the rainbow. Next one. I give you heat and light. My name rhymes with run. So there are 2 options given to you. So I give you heat and light. This is a type of object that gives you heat and light. And it is a rhyming word. It is the word that sounds similar to the word run. What will be the answer? Sun or aeroplane? Our answer will be sun, because sun gives us heat and light, and it is a rhyming word of run. Sun, run. It looks similar. So our answer will be sun. So we will put a tick mark in front of sun. Alright, and we will write the sun in the space given. S-U-N, sun. Alright. Next one. Number 5. I twinkle in the night sky. At what time? During night time. Alright. My name rhymes with far, and it is the rhyming word of far. So what will be the answer from the option given? This is a scooter and this is a star. So star is a rhyming word of far, and we see stars during night time. So our answer will be star. So we will put a tick mark here and write star here. S-T-A-R, star. Alright. So these are the 5 questions which are there in this chapter. Number 1 is rhyming word of noon, that is moon, and we see moon at night also. You see me on a rainy day. My name rhymes with crowd, that is cloud. I have 7 bright colors. My name rhymes with glow, rainbow. I give you heat and light. My name rhymes with run, that is sun. I twinkle in the night sky. My name rhymes with the far. So answer will be star. Let's talk about Froggy's Peak. Light from the sun reaches the earth in around 8 minutes. Students, do you know that? That the light that the sun gives us reaches to the earth, and it takes a time of how much minutes? 8 minutes. It takes the time of 8 minutes to reach on the earth from sun. So the rays of the sun reaches to the earth in 8 minutes. The sun is 15 crore kilometers from the earth. How many kilometers? 15 crore kilometers from the earth. It's too much far. That is beyond our imagination that we can reach. So the sun is 15 crore kilometers from the earth. All right. Tell me, which heavenly body is the bigger, the sun or the moon? So you have to tell which heavenly body is bigger. It is sun or moon. Do you know the answer? Okay, I will tell you. Sun is bigger than the moon. It is much more bigger than the moon. Alright. So our answer will be sun. Alright. Because sun is bigger than the moon. So I hope things are clear to you all. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Alright. Now it's your homework time. Write down your today's homework. GK. Today is 29th 9th 2020. Learn page number 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 for the revision. Alright, students, start preparing for your revision. There will be revision test of GK. There are many more chapters also. First prepare till page number 18. Then we will take revision of further chapters. Alright. So start preparing for that. So students, that's all for today. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me during your class. And as you all are having your exams, so start preparing for that also. Alright. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.